Today I'm going to do a review of this is the precision snap-off knife with Cerax ceramic blade. Alright, let's open the packaging. The handle is made of ABS white handle, orange slider, and with a snapper. I think this is a snapper on the rear. I will test it. It claims there is no metal component on this knife. The handle is plastic, slider plastic, and the blade is ceramic. It's interesting. The blade shape looks very similar to the metal blade. This is from Japan, NT blade. This is a standard precision snap-off blade. It has, I think this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12 segments. It's the same. And maybe I'll test the blade if it fits this handle. This is it's good. The NT blade fits this Cerax handle. I think their blade also fits the popular handles in the market as well. Now let's do some test with the blade. Ceramic is said to be really good. It's 10 times longer lasting with steel, no oil coating, non-conductive. Let's try to snap the blade. Oh, the snap line looks really clean and accurate. It's good. I like it. I like how it snaps. And let's do some cutting test. This is a printing paper. Precision knife is always used to cut thin materials like paper, box, tape. This is a EPE foam. Really smooth. Feels good. And this is a Cooper foil. This it has paper on the bottom, and the top is Cooper. More pressure maybe. Wow. It's really clean. I like it. So it comes with 2 types blade. It's assembled. The original item is assembled with I think it's this blade. It's the standard precision blade 60 degree, the tip degree. And it comes with a 30-degree blades. This type blade is really popular to cut thin film like car clothes or window tint, etc. Really nice. Oh, thank you.